Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're good. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 4 different methods on how you can start your cornrows in easy way from short hair, medium hair to long hair. But if it's your first time you stop by, thank you so much. You're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your loved one as much as you can. That means a lot for me. Thank you. So to start, I start to part my hair into 2 so that I can be able to make even lines. Just like this, and this remaining hair I'm going to secure it over there. This is the size of the braiding hair I'll be using. You may use any kind of braiding hair, not specific which kind of hair you're supposed to use. So here I'm going to make 2 strands, while natural hair will be the 3rd strand. But one side I'm going to divide with my index finger, so I'll be making 3 strands, while natural hair goes in 1 strand. So 3 strands, but natural hair goes in only 1 strand. And after I braid 2 steps only, I start adding hair. The hair I add is a very small amount, and I add till half of the line so that I'll be able to add all sides, right and left, and I continue braiding. I add some hair and I press this hair in my index and my thumb finger, then I hold it over there and I continue braiding. Another side again, I take small portion of hair, then I place them in my index and thumb finger. I hold them well, then I continue braid. And when I continue, I move my hands so that my fingers will be able to grab all sides hair. And this method is best for short hair. If you want to start braiding short hair, this method is the best because from the beginning you're starting with braiding hair, and this style, no matter how short the hair is, your style is going to last long because you just started with braiding hair and you hold all the hair from the beginning. So after I braid till end, I'm going to turn my hand like this, and here I'm going to braid, I don't know, should I say under? Yeah, so I'm going to braid like this way till end of this line. Braid till end of this line, just the same way, easy way as we used to do a cornrows or any braiding. And as you can see, all the hair are be held well, and the braiding hair or the line stand in the middle. So let me jump into second method. So after I make the line, you may decide either to add some gel if it's hard for you to hold all the hair well. And then I divide a small section. All these 4 methods is very important to start to divide a small section in the beginning so that it will be easy to start. Here I'm going to divide this into 2. One side is 2/3, and then this small section I'm going to cross middle of the big size, and I'm going to hold it like this way. This is how I hold the hair. Natural hair goes in 1 strand, and I turn my hair like this. My index and my thumb finger start hold hair, and here we go, just like this. The first 2 steps, the 3rd step, I'm going to start adding hair. The good thing of this method is all the strand is even. You don't need to borrow any hair from any side because you already started with 3 even strands. This is a little bit different with the first method because the first method, one side is a little bit bigger because another 2 section is 1 section I divide. So here I started with 3 strands direct. The same every time when you're adding hair, to avoid natural hair to be on top of the braiding hair, you have to add small section of natural hair and then hold it well. And here I'm adding both sides, right and left. Small section, I pick the hair till mid of the line, and then I braid, and I pick the hair another side the same till middle of the line. Every time I pick very few hair so that braiding hair will cover natural hair. If you pick too much hair, you'll find this hard, and sometimes you'll find your cornrows, they show a little bit like curve because one side you put too much hair and other side you put few hair. But if you're a beginner, I'll suggest to pick or to add hair with another hand so that it will be easy for you to see the amount of hair you're adding. Let's jump into third method. Here I'll be using very small section, and here I'll be adding hair like 4 or 5 times. So the first time I'm going to start with 2 strands, while the third strand will be natural hair. Here I braid 3 times, then the fourth one I'm going to start adding hair. In this method, the hair is supposed to be long enough or medium so that the first strand will be strong enough to hold the line. And after here, I'm going to start adding. My pink finger hold the hair, and then this other side I'm going to place it in my thumb and my index finger. I'll braid only one side and this other side. Later on, I'll be place it again in the same side. So like this, I press it, and then I add another section. Then I add a small section of natural hair. I take the previous section, I press it in my index and my thumb finger. Then I add a new section, which I braid only one side. Before I braid, I add natural hair. Okay, watch again. So braiding hair, I press it here. In between my index and my thumb finger, I add another hair. I press it the same place. Then I add natural hair, which I press it also at the same place. This side, let me hang it over there so that it will not confuse you. And then here we go. I'm continue braiding. Don't forget to add hair both sides, right and left, so that your lines will be even. And then here we go. I add again. I also add natural hair. This, let me put it over there again. Then I continue braiding. Here you may decide to add as many as you want, depending on how big you want your line to be. If you want more bigger, you may add more times, 10, or you may add 8 times, depending on the size of your line. And after here, I'm not going to add anymore, so the rest of the line I'll be braiding just a normal way, just like this. So here we go. I continue braiding a normal way. Guys, if you never braiding honestly need time. The more you practice, the perfect you get. Practice. If the first time does not show well or the result does not come out well, don't give up. Continue practice, continue practice. Even me, I've been practicing for so long to get this point. So this last method, I'll be adding the same 5 method, but here you see I started from small, a little bigger, bigger and bigger. This method is best for long hair. Here I start with natural hair, which I'll braid 6 steps. This method, the hair is supposed to be long enough. After 6 steps, I'll be starting add hair. Here I start with very small section of hair, which is equal with the natural hair strand. Then after I hold one side, the other side I'm not going to tuck the braiding hair in. I'll add the hair only the same side of the only the same side I add. So here I add another section. After I add braiding hair, I also add natural hair, and then I braid. Right side, no need to add any braiding hair. Just keep going, adding natural hair and braid. The left side is the side that you're going to pick braiding hair till end of this line. Don't forget this. So after braid, you are going to put the previous section and add a new section. Before you braid, add natural hair. One side of this braiding hair you may either decide to hang on top, or you may decide to put any other place so that you'll not confuse. And then right side, add hair, natural hair, and then left side, pull the previous section, add a new section of natural hair, and then continue go. This method, you may see the line starts from small, bigger, 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 compare with these other three different methods. That's why I say this method is the best for long hair, because here you're starting with small section of hair, you keep going, and the more you're going, the more you're adding section of hair bigger, bigger, and bigger. So here the lines will start from smaller to bigger, bigger, and bigger. And at the end, I just braid the normal way till I finish these lines. So guys, you may see all these four method is for different, and you may see how it comes out. This for small, this two for small hair, and this two method is for long or medium hair. So this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly share with your loved one. Give this video a big thumbs up, because if you like it, more people they will see. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.